kubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Kinong ilam ka Kongres kilapan pao ba kaseng kalalong kabala Pynkhreh na kabanta ka election MP bet MDC. Habagran bikilat patay kubor u President ka MPCC u ba Vincent Pala loong ba kaseng kam dan Jingeh bet Pynkhreh na kabanta ki election gibanwan hanay ka siyang hakasor karya ka e kabakan le. Habaya day bikikertong na kalyang u President ka MPCC u ba Vincent loong ba Marsin penbenay ka tarik jong ka election kaseng ru kan penbenay ki kertong kibanya kon ka election MDC. Habakali halor ka amendment jong ka 6 schedule u ba Vincent loang baladep banwan rae ka anraw hapo ka Lok Sabha na du snam arajar khat khandai bat ka Lok Sabha kan sa shimrai hadien baklayo ijing ajing mut jong kitu ki jila ke bahab hapo ka 6 schedule bat an sala ban menteri kam no eka shakaan haga ju ka por ba Vincent blaya tho ba ka Seng Bharatiya Janata Party ru kadani ki jing thu banwan rae ka man halor ka 6 schedule ban menteri kam no eka bat kala banong hagani ka dor bartlang ka sarkar preng kan sawan rae ka ni kamat banyatai hapo parliament
Kaiga jung Pynkhreh jung ka Kongres habide kamtam swa ka election MDC pada kawan no.
Ni lapo parti Kongres ni kene gawen ki jing Pynkhreh jung ni gede menta ka MDC ka MP. Tena kata ka daw ba ni pelong kene ka jing elang jong ki youth hadin ni pelong ke mahila ba di sisiro kade na matak election ni long baredi ban de da kade ha go February na de hununu popor ni long Pynkhreh bat kene ka MP bat ka MDC ingin don Jingeh ri kata de ka syong ha ka state government bumno kan le ni long ki baredi na marba ni ngala instruction of office ro min sa tho na ka city sa man ha ki block wakin propose na ki candidate barabor ni po party ki candidate kade barabor ka proposal ka wan na ki block ki district ka wan po state level ngin le kata ni
Telano try kata kan sedang no ni proses ban identify
proses na do hapo na do manding in sa circulate no ya ka ayo barabor ni le hubnai nombar hi but ki list ni sayo December in sa declare no borbor way bakila declare no ya ka election lano kan long ni declare no ki candidate te ka proses ngi na do mande in sa sedang
ki senam di ba balik ni sno ka Kongres ka don ka election committee na ka state election committee na ta ka tiba ka ya kunju
ka ngi don ka election committee jong ka state ka don ka election committee jong ka district te kitu ki member kala don lepai kam don kano ka jing change like yo don ki bami ang ni hang tai ni sa pendap sampai kumbalong menta ka state election committee jongi kalong intact but ka district election committee jongi kalong intact barobor ni le kum tai katangong epi ka don ka state ka don ka district election committee ka don ka state election committee ka ban decide ki candidate singin sele vote for MDC no ta ga MP ro ka jo proses ni abiai ngamtik kesyong re kato kesngi kot meeting 1 MDC mairang 1 ya kata ngamnur ban ong yo don kiba join kamtam ke MDC bam ting kama kanika anti defection kamdon yo ulai do ngamtik ban kumbolong menta kidon ki MLA ro kiba yo kiba kwa ban apply kidon gitu bala MLA kene ka por bala dep yo ki kwa ban yele menta tengi ngilong open la ka an ka sha ya ki MLA ban yele ngi sha la do yo don interest la da ka don kano ka jing khang na liang jong ka ai te yo don ki bami IWR ngamlut bolong hi ke ban join ki boni ki blai kendo nga kamtam na ka hain ka royals ki boni na ni na si jan ki ki boni blai kendo nga ki ba don ka interest ban yele tengah try hadu December hinda ka proses jungi kala ya insentif exactly kan no ngut min kon
aku no kudu pen chonong remini ki kertong pen bias kuno ke ajiket jong pi ki
kawai gede ka jing start jong ki block namar ka tiket MDC hi kam don ka interference na po Delhi ka shong be ha ka state to ka jing start jong ki block you know kin jet la ki block kim yo ta ting ni wan ni pha ke delegations ni wat riu no ni pha ke delegations te ka criteria hi ke de ba uno member jong ka party don ka hok apply te ting hapo kim yo ting la do wan menta ka sni ne don apply la share ka don ni lan de kata Dari ka kriteria kumulong ng suwang mentaro ka jo yung member jong ka Congress na apply benta kata.
Sangi ba Congress kay lang MVP it's concept ni. Ito ba ni kamu normal? Ini political opponent gila ba use ni ka win election pa paganda.
Ki political again kinam use I only one uncle can use different uncle. Andre kajing ya tre kam jongi hapo discussal kadai ka way ka long benta ba kila ya surut pramaki tengi par ni perkhat ba lada ka amendment jong ka settle ka don te lada ki NPP ki wan khot ya kini ki leader jong ni tengi ngi ong bale ngin ya ka jaj menteri jong ni de ban don ka hok ban ya batai namenta ka amendment jong ka settle more or less lakum no ki major amendment ki don ko bandru ki major amendment jong ka settle te ngatrai ngi perkhat ban namenta ka jaj bru namar ka dismissal hi ka men hi ka deal bat ka hok jong ka kendo bat ka no mainly ka riti ka dustur ka dis council bat ka jaka ka puta ka jongi te ka issues bade bat dismissal ka ye fair bat issues ke bade po state na try ngim don Jingeh ban tre bat kino ki parti like tang ba ka BJP ngila mention ni kata na Delhi ro hajwa ba ka ingin join lang bat ke NPP kila om hi ba ngim don Jingeh ban tre bat kino parti na mar ba bale ba ndang ila tre bat kino ki parti nginem kongo palat ya ka boy om ka ideology jong ingin penon kami ingin sti ka ideology ka jong ya po congress da po dis council hi ka de tik na menta ka riti ko dustur bat ka jaka ka puta na try kam don kata ka jing om ki ki la ban ong la ka ne ka tai re ka BJP kam don da po dis council bat ba aro ka de ka menta ka ba nginge i ba ngihap perkhat pan menta ka jai menteri namar ka im kayap asik sendil ka de ka badon kam ka dis council kami lang ba ka asik sendil la da ki amen ni tang haki la ne ngi perkhat ba namar ki kim perkhat re kum UDP BNP kim perkhat palat re kata ni perkhat ba ngi long ni sokya kata la perkhat sani ba
Hindi pwede ni ka amendment ang PV dan jintirahan
100% gadon namar ba bele bala introduce ka bill po Raja Sabha nado ar hajar khat kendai te napo Raja Sabha kila phano cha ka committee ban lek haman la ki jaka badon ka ba implement ka schedule badon ki dis council kila lek ka committee kila lek keleng ka state comment kila ai ka recommendations tementa kin stang bakin kin nget ya kita ke recommendation jong ka state lene ka recommendation jong ka district council ne marna dis council kila ikendo na ki akademia dan ki ustad na keleng kila ikendo consultation kala ayai te ngatrai kamdon su kono ka baki de banle satang ban amen ya ka sedul te ka simpor hadli tang arlais ngi wanra biang ya ka tu ka bil u la de interview sendiri stang bo un wanra ban ya tai po parliament kena try la da ule ci sngi po lok sabha ci sngi raja sabha la de kamdon Jingeh ra kap kum ka so tho janga pa BJP ro u don hi ka jing tmu ban amen no ya ka sedul nang ndai tang hania me kalayan re ka sedul ka trikam hi ki khatbai te legi district council te na try ki state ro ki kwa hi na mar ba bale ba khamtam ye ka funding khamtam ye ki babon ki banta ban increase ki sit lega jong ki state lega jong ki area Meghalaya ro ngatrai ka jo ka state comment kala pen I ba ki kwa hi ban amen ya ka 6 do sarkar
manra ka amendment no kani ka dorbar telang jong ka
ngatrai ka don kala kila wan ra ngatrai mar kani ke you balade ni expect bikin ra ki klimra tengah try ka dorbar telang kedon kala Thank you.
As you know, the youth convention has been organized by the youth president and his team, and we all are here from Delhi and other parts of the country to address the same and share our views, share their thoughts, and guide them for a better future for the Congress Party, for the organization.
Elections and what are the steps to identify your candidates for the 2 seats in the game?
See, preparation is an ongoing process, whether election is on or not on, during the course of building of organization, which Congress Party has always been doing it. As far as election in Khasi region and Garo region is concerned, we are well equipped with very senior leaders, and there are not one, there are many candidates, but in the end, it is the screening committee at Delhi which decides, and further it goes to the Central Election Committee, which decides which leader has a better chance of winning. But as far as our local MPCC team is concerned under Balaji, we are very sure, we are very positive that we will be electing both the candidates and giving it to the leadership. Because if you see, after this government has come in the month of February, March, things are changing. Whatever they had promised, they are not able to deliver. In their last term also, what was promised was hardly delivered. So now people, slowly, they are understanding what this government is up to. Unemployment is at peak. So I think it is going to be a change as far as Lok Sabha elections are concerned. And we are very confident both the seats we will win.
Are you indicating that you will choose candidate only from Tura seat instead of Shillong because you have your sitting MP?
No, it's not a matter of choosing from one place or another. There is a system in the Congress party since the beginning. There is a Pradesh Election Committee at the state level which comes up with the names of candidates. Then it is discussed by a screening committee which is formed by the All India Congress Committee, which has many senior leaders in that, along with PCC President, CLP leader and in charge. And after that, this entire list goes to the Central Election Committee, which is headed by the Congress President and which has leaders like Sonia Gandhi ji, Rahul Gandhi ji, Venugopal ji, a team of senior 12-13 leaders, and they finally decide.
Today in your speech I heard...
It is not a matter of Karnataka only. What I meant, if you heard Karnataka, I'm sorry, but what I meant was pan-India. When we won Karnataka, pan-India leaders who had left us or who are not happy in other parties, they wanted to join back. Some of them, I know. They called me, they must be calling other leaders also. So there is a process. When people see in political system, you start winning, they want to join you back. So, as far as this state is going, PCC President is in a better position to answer this question.
No, but as far as in charge.
Definitely some people are in touch.
Do we see Dr. Mukul back?
No, I'm not taking any individual names here, but as and when the proposal comes to PCC President and henceforth it is forwarded to the AICC, the decision will be taken accordingly.
In the perspective of the Congress, nationally, in the upcoming Lok Sabha, how do you see the Congress will prospect of it?
See, you can see how many parties have joined the India Alliance. India Alliance is a strong alliance with very big leaders in respective states. If I start from Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, Delhi, Madhya Pradesh Congress, Rajasthan Congress, Punjab Congress. So we have big states and big leaders who are chief ministers. Bihar, again, Maharashtra. So this alliance is a very big alliance with a team of senior leaders. Whereas other side, there is just one leader. There is not many. You tell me which party is there. You name one party if you recall.
What will the alliance be able to project Prime Minister Tangi?
Let's see. Maybe later in the day. Still we have 5-6 months left. So later in the day, those who are looking after this will be in a better position to answer this question.
Can you also share some thought, like now we are
discussed and articulated by our Chairman of Communication Department, former Minister, present MP, Jairam Rameshji, which you can go through. But anywhere where the war is, a normal human being like me or you or anybody would urge or would pray that peace prevails. Whether people die here or there, my mind says the peace should prevail. That's it.